In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your tax return in TurboTax. If you need a copy of your return for your records, for a loan application, or just for peace of mind, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it carefully so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, sign in to your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've created more than one over time. Once you're signed in, go to the tax return you want to download and open it. If you have returns from different years, take a moment to confirm that you're opening the right one before moving on. After the return is open, look to the left-hand menu and select Tax Tools. This section contains a few helpful options related to your return. So, if you don't see it right away, just scan the menu slowly and it should be there. Next, click Tools. This will open the Tool Center, which is where TurboTax places several actions you can take with your return. From there, select the option that says, Save your 2025 return to your computer. This is the command that starts the download process. So once you click it, TurboTax will prepare the file for saving. When prompted, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. It's a good idea to pick a location that's easy to remember, such as your Downloads folder or a clearly labeled tax documents folder. If you like to stay organized, you may also want to save it somewhere secure and back it up later. After that, wait for the download to complete. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this may happen almost instantly or take a few moments. Try not to click away too quickly, especially if your browser asks you to confirm the download or show the saved file. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file to verify that your tax return was saved successfully. This is an important final check because it lets you confirm that the file opens properly and contains the return you expected. It's much better to verify it now than to discover later that the wrong file was saved or the download didn't finish correctly. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your tax return in TurboTax. Thanks for watching.